In 1950, cake mixes were invented. Buyers could bake a cake quickly at home with these pre-made mixes. But at first, they failed. Consumers didn't like the instant mixes as they made cooking too easy. After finding this out, the makers of the cake mixes added an extra step. Consumers now had to break an egg and add it to the mix. A service or product that makes a task too easy can undervalue the skills of a person. It goes against common beliefs, but a service or product can be too easy to use. Three researchers, Michael Norton, Daniel Mocon, and Dan Ariely, named and described this bias as the IKEA effect in 2011. They explain it like this: labor alone can be sufficient to induce greater liking for the fruits of one's labor. Even constructing a standardized bureau, an arduous, solitary task, can lead people to overvalue their often poorly constructed creations.